Hello, dear viewers. Hope all of you are well. So today, this is my channel. I want to make it brand channel. So for that reasons, you have to create another this same name channel. Okay. For the reasons, you have to go here settings, and then you have to come in advanced settings and 8 minutes channel. And whenever you create it, you have to create a channel same name, unlimited volleyball. Okay. I created unlimited volleyball. Okay, this is one. I understand. And create interpretation code. So here, this channel does not exist. It's saying it's a new channel. For the reasons, this channel is not, doesn't exist. It's telling. So go again home, and if you go here, and if you can switch your account, there is two account created. You see here. Here is it. Here is it. This is unlimited volleyball, and if you go our channel here, if you go switch to account, here is a two channel. Here one, this is new, no subscriber, and this is old. Uh, this channel I want to make a brand channel instead of this. For the reasons I have to create another channel. For the reasons we have to go again in our here, and you can go settings, and then you have to uh, go advanced settings, and then you have to, but you have to must select your this channel. Okay, you have to select this channel, and then you have to go move channel, click here, and again I show you, here is it, password they are taking, and then you have to, all are done, and move your YouTube channel to different account. Okay, you can move your channel including its video likes from account and another. Okay, you have to learn it. This channel will be moved. YouTube channel, this is our channel. We can make this channel brand channel. So this channel will be moved. Okay, and then you have to select your created. This is we created already has YouTube channel, and replace this channel. Okay, replace this channel, and then you have to go here, I understand, and then delete that channel. Okay, and this is moving, this channel is moving. Okay, send and then move this channel. Okay, choose how you appear and what you are saying. It is your channel, your YouTube channel, this public person's YouTube unique channel, upload your videos, comment on videos, and create plugin. So done, all are done. That's our YouTube Bollywood guideline channel, and now brand channel. Okay, so in how you can know that your channel is brand channel, you can click here and switch account. Go here, view channel, and then you can select here, and then switch account. You can switch here, and you can see, go here and go to settings, and then you have to go advanced settings, and that's already done, not here. View advanced settings, not these, channel status and features. You have to go here. Whenever your permissions, you have to go, here is it, keep managing permissions to your brand account. Okay, here is it. To continue using brand account, to add permissions, you have to manage permissions. You have to click here, and then that will be managed with your Google account. Delete your brand account. Okay, that means this account be brand account. If that not make brand account. They don't show you, but they don't say you delete your brand account. Okay, by that way you can know that our channel is now brand account. Okay, so I hope this will be help to you for your make a brand account. By that way you can create your brand account. Okay, here is it, our brand account channel we can make. By that way you can continue. By that way you can make your brand channel. If you go settings and if you go permissions, and then you can say, hey, this is your brand account, permissions in your brand account. Keep managing permissions in your brand account. Okay, by that way you can make brand account. So I hope this video will be fruitful to you. Share with your friends and families. If you support me, then comments in my comment sections. And if there is anything else in comments, I will be here. Okay, thank you very much.